Hey guys, it's me Gian from Pixel Crafter. Today I'm going to show you how to do the Pro version. First off, you're going to log into your WordPress, and as you can see on my screen here, I have already logged into my WordPress, and we're now going to the wpleadpro2017 Pro version. So let's go to wpleadpro and let's click Pro version here. And now we're going to put in here the license code. Put the license code here, just paste the license code, and we're now going to save changes. Once the Pro version is save changes, we're now going to refresh this page to see the enabled and disabled area. So here is the Pro version. So we're now going to enable this to see all the Pro version setup. So here is the Pro version now. As you can see, the Pro version has so many control added here. So you can see that we have 4 additional homepage areas, which is the portfolio, the service, the client, and then download. So you're now going to organize your layout manager here. Either it's you're going to enable or disable this layout. So we will going back into this area later. So first off, we're going to set up our sidebar layout of the home page and also the other page. So first is you're going to choose either these two only. It's left sidebar or the right sidebar. So we're now going to choose right sidebar here, and also for the page and sidebar layout other page. Now for the slider type, we have a 2 slider type here, which is the image and the video. So take a note that image is a default slider type, and we only added one slider type here, which is the video. So when you click video, you have to make sure you have to check this box to see the other options for the video. So here in this box, we're going to put a video shortcode, which is, here is my example, and you have to make sure that you included the size of this video. So once it's the video set up there, then we're going to save changes. Now we're going into the page here. This is the video slider type looks like. So going back into the theme panel, now here the first additional layout for the home page is a portfolio. So now we're going to write an awesome headline text for our portfolio, and for a subheadline text here, this is my example only. Now we're going to set our portfolio details here. So the first portfolio is we can upload a first image for our portfolio. Now here is my media library here. Where is the first? So this one is my first portfolio. Select that one, and we can put our first portfolio details, which is the title. I would like to put this one as my title. Oh no. So for our portfolio text here, you can put any kind of portfolio subtext here, or small descriptions here, and you can also put a URL for this portfolio. So we can add I think 5 portfolios here. So to add portfolio, just click this add slide here, and we can add more portfolio here. So on and so forth. It's same process. You can upload your image here and upload the second portfolio and put your second portfolio title here. So I'll just copy my sample for my second title of my portfolio, and you can put your small descriptions here and the URL for the read more URL. So I will just set up for the last 3 portfolio here. So as you can see here, we have 4 portfolio samples here, and now we're going to save these changes. So once the settings is saved, now we're going back into the upper area here, which is the homepage layout manager. So as you can see here, there's a portfolio disabled. So we have already set it up a portfolio sample, and we want that our portfolio wants to put on the enabled, and we will show the portfolio homepage area, this one. So let's click and drag and drop here to our below of our testimonials. So once it's enabled, now we're going to save changes. Now we're going to visit the site here and click refresh. Let's try to see what the portfolio looks like. So now let's scroll down a little bit to see the portfolio here. Let's refresh the page. So here we go, is the portfolio homepage area, which is we set it up a portfolio text headline title, and we can also set here as a sub-headline text here, and also the first portfolio, the second portfolio, and the descriptions here, and also the URL that we set it up for the read more. And now we're going back into the theme panel here, and let's go to our services. So now our services is we can also, same thing as process on the portfolio, but different homepage additional areas, which is the service. So now we're going to put here a title of our service headline text, just like for example, this is my title, and also this is my sub headline text for my service. Now we're going to the service details. Just click the first one, and we can upload our service details here. Just upload an image, and let's try to grab 1 images here for our service. This is the first service image, and select that one, and we can put here our service, first service. My example of my title of my first service is service number 1. So I will going to put here also the sample of my descriptions for my service here. So as you can see, service has no URL here, only a title, an image, and also the sub headline text here. So we can add more service here. So I will just add 4 services here. So I'll be get back to set up all the services. So now once the services are already set up, then we're going to save changes here. Now once the settings is saved, then we're going back into our home page layout manager here, and let's set up our service. This area would be drag and drop into enable backs here. So once it's there, then we're going to save changes. So let's go to our site and to see what the services looks like. Let's refresh the site here. So now, as you can see here, this is the service looks like, and we as you can see that there's a homepage title text here, also the homepage subtitle text, and also the first service number 1, and the description, as well as the image that we have uploaded, and so on and so forth. So going back into this theme panel option here, let's try to navigate the homepage client list headline text. So for our area, this one, for our client areas, we can put a homepage client headline list text here. So any kind of title for your headline text in your client, and also a sub headline text for our client. Just put that one, and we can add more galleries here. Just click this button blue here, and we can add a lot of galleries. Now, as you can see, I have uploaded some galleries here, which is, I think it's 8 images here. So once the images is already uploaded, completed, now we're going to click this add to gallery. So this one is the gallery areas here, and once they are done, then we're now going to click update gallery. So here we go. Once it's all set it up, you can add any how much as galleries you want here. So once it's already done, then we're going to save changes. Now we're going back into the upper right corner of this theme option. Let's go to the homepage layout manager. So we need to enable this client. So let's just drag and drop here at the below service area, and now once the client is enabled, then we're going to save the changes. So now once it's saved change, then we're going to the site and hit refresh here, and let's wait for our changes pop up. So now here is our homepage client list headline areas. So this is the homepage title text for our client, and also the sub headline text here, and also the galleries that we have uploaded. So going back into our theme, and let's go to our homepage ebook download headline text areas here. So now we're going to set our homepage ebook download headline text here. Just like, for example, if this one is my homepage ebook headline text, and also this one is my sub headline text, and also this one is for the homepage ebook download opt-in form. So we will now going to create an opt-in form for our ebook, and it only consists only a name and email. So let's go to let's just save this changes, and let's go to our contact form, and let's create our ebook opt-in. So let's just go to contact and add new here. Now here I have created an opt-in form, and I have a titled opt-in form here, and our opt-in form consists only name and email, and this is the text generator that I inserted here on my form, and also the email, and also the default submit code for this opt-in form. So once it's all set it up, then we're going to save the changes. So now here you can see the small code here. Let's just grab this one, copy, and let's paste in our notepad here. And let's go back to our WP Lead Pro, and let's go to the ProVersion. And let's go to our area which has a homepage ebook download headline areas. So here you can put the code that you have already created, this one, the opt-in form code, and we can now upload our ebook image here. So click upload, and let's try to load the media. And our ebook image, this one, is just select that one, and here we go. There's a image here is uploaded. Now we're going to save the changes. So let's save changes, and let's go back to the upper part of the homepage layout manager. So let's enable the download here. Let's enable this one, and let's put it here, the last part area, and let's now save the changes. So once the settings is saved, then we're going to the site and hit refresh. Now let's go to look at the download areas. So here is the site, then we're going to here. So as you can see here, we have already set it up, the title, headline text for our ebook download, and also the sub-headline text, and also the opt-in form here, the name and the email, and the submit button here, and also the ebook image here. So I think this is it for all the ProVersion settings. So if you have any questions and you want a clarification, just contact us via support desk, and we will assist you and answer your question as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.